What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing AXO from FORTNITE. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half oval going up towards the top of the eye. It's going to round this out, go out, and then back down on the outside. Now let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Go up towards the top, round this out, go across, and then back down towards the same height. Now we're going to close off the bottom of the eye. Let's start back on the left, curve the eye coming down, and then bend that up, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now you want to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. So let's start from the left side. We'll draw a circle going around, down the side, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right, going up, along the side, and then pull that back in. And then we'll add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Starting on the left, go in, and then back out, go to the right side, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve this up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Now we're going to connect the ends with a curve, almost like a half circle, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add two small fangs along the top. Starting on the left, we're going to start with a V, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now add one more on the bottom left, going up and then down. Let's draw the top edge of the tongue. Starting over on the left, curve this up in the middle, and then back down, and we'll fill the upper area of the mouth in black. And now that we've drawn the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the bottom corner of the left eye, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down, pull that in towards the middle. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's go over towards the right. Coming down, rounding out the head, and then again, just leaving that gap in the middle. Now we're going to move up and close off the top of the head. Starting back on the left, going up, pulling that in towards the middle, round up the top of the head, go across, and then down on the right. Let's add a half oval in the center of the head. Starting back on the left, come down, round this out, and then pull that up. Now there's three extensions that come out from the side of the head. Let's start with the center one. Starting on the left side, draw almost like an oval, going around, down, and just tuck that in toward the side of the head. Let's line up the top on the right, going up, rounding out the end, come down, and then back in. Let's add two along the bottom. From the left side, we're going to step down, go around toward the bottom, and then pull that back up. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then down, and then back up. And then we'll add two more along the top of the head. Starting on the left, going up, rounding up the end, and then pulling that back in. Let's line up the right side, going up, come down, and then in. Now we're going to add those spikes along the top and bottom of each extension. Let's start from the inside on the left, go up, and then out, taper that back in. I'm going to add two more along the top, going up, and back in, and we'll add one more. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction along the bottom. Starting from the inside, curve down and out. Taking that back in, and we'll add two more. Let's go over towards the right. Now we want to do the exact same thing to the rest of these extensions. Let's start on the left side. And one last time. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start all the way over on the left side underneath the head, curve the body going out, and bend that down towards the hip, go over towards the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom, starting back on the left, curve down in the middle, and then bend that back up. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the collar. From this point, we're going to step out, draw a half circle, coming down, and then up, and then we'll trace this out along the outside, stepping out, come down, and then up. Now I'm going to print the word nachos along the top of the shirt. Let's start on the outside, start with the N. I'm going to curve the words going across. Go A, C, H, O, and then the S. And it will simplify the logo in the center, starting with a curve along the middle, go up and out towards the side, come down and then in. Let's go back over towards the left, angle down and out, curve this down and then up, come down and in, go up and out. I'm going to add a few points along the bottom. Go out, angle back in. Let's add a couple more points. Round out the bottom and then go up. And then we'll connect the top and bottom with a slight curve. Let's go up to the top and add the eyes, starting with two angle lines coming in. And connect the ends with a half circle. I'm also going to add a thick stripe along the bottom of the jersey. Starting on the left, we'll step up, just follow the same curve going across towards the right. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, we'll step down, add a curve, going up and then down, leaving a small gap in the middle. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. And then from the outside, we curve the foot, going up. Then we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the hips and close out the side of the leg. Starting on the left side, curve the leg going out and then down. Let's add some detail to the legs. We're going to start from the toe, step up, draw a short line going across, and then pull that straight and down. Let's Let's line this up on the right. Coming in and then down. Let's go back to the left heel, step up, curve this out and then down, and line this up on the right. Now you want to add that strap along the top of the foot. From this point, angle down and out on both sides. Curve this up and out towards the top of the foot. Let's go to the top of the foot, step up, draw a curve between down and up for the edge of the boot. And then we'll move up and draw another curve for the bottom edge of the shorts. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and we'll line this up on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to come in and out with a half circle, close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve down and then up around the bracket, step down, come down and then up. And we'll start the 3rd finger on the outside, curve this out, round out the arm, and then pull that up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add that armband on the right side. From the wrist, we'll step up, curve this up, and then down, step up, and draw that twice. Let's add that detail on the inside of the arm. Starting on the left side at the very top, curve this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll pull that up and in towards the side of the body. And now the final step, we're going to add the tail coming out on the left side. Let's start from the top of the leg on the right, come down and then out in behind the left leg. Continue on the outside, going out, up, and then out. And then we'll widen the tail as we come back in, starting from the tip, going up, down, and then up. And that's pretty much it. There's AXO from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.